Tables are a great way to add more advanced formatting options to your worksheet. So it is very useful tool that you can use to format your worksheet, and it will save you a lot of time, and it will add you some advanced features that if you are trying to do it manually, it will cost a lot of time. So it is very useful in Excel. So features like banded rows, preset color, schemes, designs, and other design elements. So if you are trying to do them by yourself manually, it may take time. Like when we dealt with formatting, we look at styles, how you can change the style. So when you make use of table, you may have similar features but in a more colorful way. So in order to create table for this worksheet, especially for this order we have here, so just highlight the part where you want to have table, and in your home tab, locate format as table. So when you click format as table, you have a lot of options which you can use. So choose anyone you like. So when you click that, so it pop up a function. If you want your table to have a header, so make sure that you maintain this one being checked. So don't uncheck it. So when you're done, click OK. So you have your table formatted. You can always change it from here, to different styles you want to apply. Also note that every of the table comes with formatting, so which allow you to have a flexible adjustment to whatever you create here. So you can always change the view, you can manipulate the figures and everything. So you can also add, by clicking on this column, you can only add more table by dragging and covering more cells. So you have more table created. So you can also come to the bottom here and also drag to have more data into the columns or into the table. Table design allow you to add more styles to your table. So on this time around, you get the highlight as you are scrolling through each one. So to choose which one that suits or seems best to you. You can also add other features to your table, such as styling or formatting last column. You can see the last column here has been formatted, so bolded. Also, you can add a total row. You can add total row to your table. So using table and the table design is very powerful, and it makes what you are doing very very easy and quick. So you won't have to go through the stress of putting all this design one after the other. So it helps you to have a control over what you are doing by adding automatic filter and other designs. And if you feel like you no longer need the table, you can return it back to normal by clicking on convert to range. So when you click on convert to range, it's going to ask you, do you want to convert table to normal range? So click yes. So by that, you will no longer have it as table.